Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kopila. I'd like to introduce you to our aunties, and in this first episode, we'll be learning how to make masala milk tea. Now we'd like to review the ingredients. The first thing you'll need is about 6 tablespoons of black tea. In our black tea, we like to mix in the herbs, so you'll see black pepper, cardamom, clove, you can add some cinnamon. Now, here's where we're gonna bust the auntie's secret. What they do is they put 5 tablespoons of sugar in. It's a lot of sugar, but that's what makes it so good. Next, an important ingredient is your ginger. You're gonna wanna skin your ginger like we have here. And then we're gonna crush it, we'll talk about that. 1 cup of water and 2 cups of milk, fresh from your cow. So one important thing that a lot of people don't realize is that actually there's black pepper mixed into the tea, and that gives it this really nice hidden spice. So you get your water boiling like this, and you add your tea and your spices. Just as the water's starting to get warm. It's basanti auntie. And then you're gonna crush your ginger, your adwa, on a rock, just like this, or you can use any kind of contraption that you have to get that ginger nice and crushed and get the juices out. Okay, so add the ginger to the spices and the boiling water. It's gonna start to smell really nice and flavorful soon. So we're using sugar here, and for auntie tea, you need quite a bit of sugar, but just remember, if you're not into sugar, that you can always replace with honey or some other sweetener. Now you add, as the water is boiling, you're going to add your milk. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely heavenly. So now you can give your tea, as it simmers, a bit of a mix. Just watch it simmer, watch the spices and the smells really start to sink in there, that ginger. And the aunties say to let it sit for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
So now you're going to take your tea strainer and you just pour into each cup. Get ready for the tasting. Now for the very best parts, bon appetit! You've got comfort in a cup.
So nice tea.
So good. Mitata.
Yummy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Enjoy. Nom 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 nom.